Hello everyone, it's me, Aiden Joyce, back in part 2 of my Bachmann Thomas and Friends review on Troublesome Truck number 3. Well, what I like to, and here's my opinion on this one. When I got it out of the box, this one has a tendency to fall out. I don't know if it's this one, or do other modelers have that kind of situation. But anyway, I fixed it. That's what matters. Do some maintenance before I get started. Here on the siding, I've got Troublesome Truck number 4, 5, and 6. And there's Edward I got along with Troublesome Truck number 1 and 2. Who around this corner that I have reviewed these before. If you want to go check out my channel. Now let's just go on with this. Wrong way, Edward. Yep, that's Troublesome Truck number 3. Already coupled. Every time. Okay. Time for you. Alright, Edward, time for you to get out on the rails. Now I'm gonna switch it off before I have any more derailments. Word, come on. Now I have a complete train of troublesome trucks. I have a complete load. I've completed my troublesome trucks already. I said that already, didn't I? You can see I didn't put away the Christmas decorations. Here's Troublesome Truck number 3. How do I think of this model? I say, despite one flaw, I think it's good. And there's some things that can be breakable, like this part. I say it's a 7.5 out of 10, but seems fair enough. Because it has one wheel that has a tendency to fall off, but overall I like this model, like Troublesome Truck number 4 and 5 over here. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.